John here, guys, and today we're talking about the Hobby Porter remote control car. This is 1/76 scale. Look how tiny this thing is. This is supposedly the world's smallest fully proportional RC car. Now what that means is that when you're adjusting it with this actually pretty nice little transmitter right here, you actually have full control over how far those wheels turn. On a lot of little small toy grade things, it's only like you turn and it goes all the way. It's hard to get that fine-tuned movement that you get like on a real car. So that means you can do proportionally turns and speeds and slides just the way you would on your normal car. This thing is so small, any desk, any countertop, any dinner table suddenly becomes a racetrack for your entertainment. You're stuck on that Zoom call all day. Well, this is the answer, my friends. I can't believe how tiny this thing is. Check it out next to this little tiny whoop drone. As small as this thing is, this is considerably smaller. Here it is next to this DJI RC car we built up recently. You can see it's so small. It would fit in the back of that Jeep just like that. This is a really awesome kit for a couple of reasons. It comes with 2 extra shells that are plain, so you could paint these up, customize them however you wanted, or keep the one that's fully painted on there. It has all of these adjustments to adjust the trim on your steering, on your throttle. I mean, everything. It's really nice. It has a nice cushiony plush on the steering wheel right there. It really feels like something that is hobby grade, not toy grade. This transmitter is pretty cool because you hit a little button right there, it comes apart and it's easily transportable. The batteries actually go in there. It takes 4 AAAs, and then when you're ready to get going, you just slide that on, hit the switch, and we are ready to start rolling. I really like how this thing has both brake lights and headlights. For something this small, that's just insanity. I mean, look, you can see the wheels turning like that. I mean, I can't get enough of this. I'm not always that excited for little RC cars, but this is so small. It's basically like smaller than the size of a Matchbox or Hot Wheels car. This is just sending me over the edge. I can't believe how cool this is. So if you're stuck on those Zoom calls, you're stuck on home, you want to get some racing on your dinner table and irritate your wife or your parents, this is the key. It's only about $60 to $70, so for something so compact. The other thing I really like is this thing charges via USB-C, so you're liable to have those cables all around the house. You can charge it up anywhere and then you're ready to go and just start going. How did they get something so compact like this? I don't know. The future is now, guys, so really cool. Links in the description below if you want to start racing something like this. I just cannot believe how small it is. What are you doing in the comments? Are you racing tiny little RCs like this? Are you racing the big full-blown ones that can go like 90 miles an hour? What are you doing? You know, it's not always that easy to get out and fly a drone, but you can pretty much turn this on anywhere you are and get some laps in. Thanks, guys.